So I'm gonna change the heads. I'm gonna put the hammerhead on and show you the switch system. Just use a simple tool. This one goes off. This one goes on. And fix it again. Oppa. Alright, and now we can continue with the hammerhead. So with the hammerhead we're gonna remove the big slack that you get on the bigger workpieces of mild steel if they don't have a clean cut. So these we're gonna hammer off. It's very important, of course, to wear all the protection because these slacks might fly around a bit. Of course, we have protective sides. We put them all up. Small pieces you will usually put up the sides. So on all sides it's protected. There we go. As you can see, the hammers work on all the burrs. Sides where I've been, they're all very cleared of all the big parts. I've seen the few parts flying in my face, so it's really very important to have the goggles on. If something is not done well, you can just see it and go again. And there we are. And after this we can continue with further processing of the piece.